Most animals hide or hibernate through winter. But honeybees? They build their own central heating system. Deep inside the hive, thousands of bees come together to form one living, breathing machine, perfectly designed to survive the cold. A bee colony isn't just a group of insects, it's a superorganism. Each bee has a specialized role. The queen lays up to 2,000 eggs a day, drones fertilize, and tens of thousands of female workers handle everything else: cleaning, feeding larvae, building wax cells, and defending the hive. As they age, worker bees move through different jobs, just like cells differentiating in a body. When temperatures drop, bees form a tight cluster around the queen, a living ball that can reach 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius, at its core, even when it's freezing outside. They disconnect their wings from their flight muscles, just like shifting a car into neutral, and start vibrating those muscles rapidly. This movement generates heat, turning each bee into a miniature radiator. On the outer layer, colder bees rotate inward while warmer ones move out, keeping the entire cluster evenly heated. All that heat requires fuel, and that's where honey comes in. The colony consumes its stored honey, converting sugars into energy that powers those constant muscle vibrations. When one bee tires, another takes her place. The process continues day and night, all winter long, until spring arrives. The hive is never still, it's always humming, always alive. Coordination is key. Bees communicate through pheromones and vibrations that travel through the hive walls. These signals let them regulate the colony's needs automatically: heat levels, food reserves, even emergency repairs. It's a biological feedback system, like a living thermostat connected to thousands of sensors that all work in harmony.
To make honey in the first place, bees collect nectar, mostly sugar water, and then use special enzymes to break it down inside their stomachs. Back at the hive, they deposit this mixture into wax cells and fan their wings to evaporate water until it thickens into honey. When cells are full, bees produce wax and seal them shut, nature's perfect long-term food storage. Even the hive's immune system is automatic. If a worker dies, others immediately remove the body to prevent infection. If the queen weakens, workers create a new one by feeding a larva royal jelly. When a nurse bee is lost, pheromones trigger others to switch roles instantly, ensuring that no task is left undone. So next time you see a bee, remember, it's not just an insect. It's a vital part of a living, self-regulating machine. A system that can turn sugar into heat, order into survival, and thousands of tiny lives into one collective heartbeat. The hive doesn't just endure winter, it creates its own spring.